I am Dr. Nanda Rajaneesh. I am a laparoscopic surgeon and a bariatric surgeon in Apollo Spectra Hospital and Sacra World Hospital. Mesh is nothing but it is a kind of foreign body, but our body can take it. There are two varieties of mesh. One is kind of absorbable mesh that we put inside in the abdomen itself. In laparoscopic surgery we use that. The other one is proline mesh. One is a biological mesh, other one is a proline mesh. Now we have a new mesh called titanium mesh too, that is available, we use for laparoscopic surgery. What is mesh? It is like a mosquito net. You have threads around and it is a square box it is. In between our body fibers, that we call a fibrous tissue, has to come in and completely take over the mesh. As such, mesh can cause problem only within 5 days you know if there is any reaction to the mesh, and it is very rare. But few cases have been reported all over the world causing some problem by reaction. Very few cases have been reported. But we have seen problems happening not exactly because of the mesh, but problems happening because of adhesions that happen due to surgery. So, this is very common with every abdominal surgeries that we do. So, there can be adhesions, twisting of the intestine, obstructions. All these can happen because one of your intestines or your omentum went to the abdominal surface and got stuck. So, if that happens, then you can have complications due to hernia repair surgery that would happen. So, other problem that can happen, so sometimes they say something called mesh migration. So, one of the borders of the mesh can migrate, and below that area if the abdominal wall is weak, the individual can develop hernia also. Recurrence of hernia can also very rarely happen, but we have seen some cases happening.